got both rubber garments installed now. Now it's time to install the choke and throttle cable that'll attach to the carburetor once the engine is installed. This is what the two cables look like. So the first cable is the choke cable, and the second cable is the throttle cable. The choke cable is a little bit longer just because it has to reach further, while the throttle cable has a clamp that you clamp to the carburetor, and then a wire stop so it pulls on the carburetor to give it gas. So now it's time to install them. There is just a lock washer and a nut. Just unthread them and take them out. You thread the cable into the dashboard and then put the nut from behind. This is on the dashboard, so right here goes the throttle, and then on this side goes the choke, and they're already pre-cut from last time. The choke into this side through this hole, and then the throttle goes through the other hole, and then you want to push this one through this hole, and now you want to thread the washer and nut on the back side before you push it all the way through to the other side. The holes that I showed you before go through the firewood and then into the engine compartment. Just gotta find the first hole here. It just shoots right through the lock washer nut on the back side. And then the same thing with the choke cable. It's a pretty tight fit back in here. Hardly fit your hands back here. But I find if you come from the side, on the driver's side, it makes it a lot easier. And then just have to find the other hole in the firewall. Make sure not tangle up any wires back here, because there's a lot, if possible. And then just push it right through firewall. And then put the lock washer on and thread the nut on both sides. Just keep them loose for now, because you have to adjust it with the when the engine's in there, just to hold it. And then I'll take you guys around and show you what it looks like to the other side. Here are the two cables. So this one is the throttle cable, and then that's the choke. And then as of for now, I'll just keep them like that until we get to the engine stage. Just make sure you put the clamp and the wire stop back on the cable, because you don't want to lose those pieces. When we get to the engine stage, I will show you guys how to install the choke and throttle cable into the carburetor. But you guys are going to have to tune back when we get to that stage. As you can see, we got a long ways to go still. But thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Let's Build a Willys Jeep.